Okay. Now I'm going to start the thing again. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Let's actually try a different sort of version of this, right? So I'm going to show you a different capability. So I'm going to start the operator up, right?
Okay.
Operator has like superpowers, right? So here we can see his little thought bubbles. This is what he's doing.
Mm-hmm.
He's having a think
Building.
about what he's got. He's thinking about it. Oh, he's saying, hello. These are the agents, right? So instead of the previous failed one, I tried to get Castle to run the game, but I'm going to do it indirectly now. I'm going to say, hi operator. Op. Hi op. Can you please awaken Castle A and get it to run the game, please? There we go. Now this seems really dumb. It's like I could do that directly, right?
Yeah.
But the point here is that it's threading to multiple agents together, right?
Right.
So you can see this message being sent. Oh, Castle A's been woken up. Castle A's got these little thought bubbles. I have the info I need. And here we go. And there's the game. Do you see the game?
Yeah.
Yay.
I see
So
it.
he's built and run the little game with the little things and all the rest of it.
Did you just make a wall?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. This is I really liked Stronghold when I was younger. And I still like it now. But I kind of wanted to make like a little like Stronghold inspired thing. So this has been something I've been kind of messing around with.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So
tower.
yeah, obviously very very basic, very janky right now. But it's also a fun sort of thing to be working on. Look, now they're all chatting. They're like, launched successfully. They're sending a little report. It's a little overwrought and stuff like that. So I'm going to say, wake up. The other Castle agents, please. Right.
Sleeping on the job? What the hell?
Yeah. So you can see that the operator actually has the ability to wake up these other agents. Each of these agents has its own like work stream that you can interact with directly, right?
Yeah.
So you've got like tool uses and the assistant and all the rest of it. You can see this sort of record. This comes into its own when you want to do stuff like operator, let's plan work streams to add food economy features. I would like to be able to mill wheat. Eventually make bread and cheese.
Oh, food.
Let's discuss what, which buildings. I'm typing terribly this morning. And delegate to 2 agents. Right, so yeah. There you go. God, look at that loop. They're like blah 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 blah.
Oh,
it's quite
so
funny.
fast,
It is. So the it's a little fragile, but it's like previously I had this thing with Crosschat where like there would be an agent in the background listening for messages on a server. But this time, these are actually managed agents. So these are external agents, right? But I can very quickly clone them into managed ones. The difference between them is the managed ones are actually controlled via a server that has its own I/O process. And so this way I can directly send messages back and forward and parse the inputs for important or interesting stuff, which is how I get the speech bubbles and stuff like that. So that's taking it out from terminal. It's still a terminal in the background, but it's being run through a Python backend, right? So this way it's easy to pipe the information through, right? Now he's asking me, does the chain structure look right? So I've got to do more reading. Proposed building resource chains, bread chain, wheat farm, windmill, bakery, granary. New resources, wheat, flour, bread. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Cheese train, dairy, cow pen, produces milk. Yeah, sweet. I mean, I'm basically copying Stronghold at this point with this kind of chain. Inspired by, I have no idea how they actually implemented it. Yep. And just go, yeah, yes, looks great.
Yes.
Great. And then I'll say, you have autonomy. Autonomy.
To destroy the world.
In getting this done. Thanks. Do my work for me.
Yeah.
And then
you didn't even give them a deadline.
yeah, I know.
Yeah?
2 years later.
Yeah.
Hopefully, so what I want to see here is the operator will just delegate that to 2 separate agents, right?
Okay.
Or it'll deliver it to 1 agent.
Yeah.
So let's see what it chooses to do. Sorry, go on. Yeah.
Okay.
Castle C is doing the cheese chain in parallel, right? Cheese chain. I love that that's a word.
Yeah.
So who's doing it? So, I need to stop this. It keeps popping up. Castle C claiming cheese chain design doc. Yes. So Castle B and C are doing the work. Oh my god, it's so good. How good is that? And then it's just going to go. Then they just spin off and they're just going busy. They're just chatting. I've got to consolidate these messages down a little bit more. My goal was to consolidate it so that when it's between messages, but right now, if there's a separate message, it'll count that as a break. But it should just be like, busies themselves should just be like a little tree here. So it'll just be like, it's basically them talking to themselves. Great recon, sync-on findings. Spoilage is greenfields. Like, then they just go. And the cool thing about this is like, in my day job, in my actual job, I've been using this to get the API and the pipeline stuff to talk to each other. For example, when there's like a data contract that needs to align, they can actually go in and dive into the code and ensure that the parameters being assigned and all the rest of it actually match up between tasks and branches and all the rest of it. It's actually been useful, which is good.